Assalamu alaikum students. I hope so you are fine and safe at your home with the blessings of Allah. We are back with another video lecture. We have started a unit characteristics and evaluation of computers. Today's topic is first generation of computer and the task you have to perform is a question. Write in your notebook and learn. So the question is, what were the limitations of first generation computers? फर्स्ट जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स की लिमिटेशंस क्या थी? लिमिटेशंस मींस हदबंदी कि फर्स्ट जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर इस लिमिट तक काम कर सकते थे, इसे एक्सीड नहीं कर सकते थे. एंड दीज लिमिटेशंस वर कवर्ड अप इन द सेकंड जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स. So let's see the limitations. Some limitations were they were highly expensive. वो बहुत ज़्यादा महंगे थे. Because vacuum tubes are used in them and due to this they were very large in size. That was the reason of highly expensive. They could solve only one problem at a time. एक वक्त में सिर्फ एक ही प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर सकते थे. अब मॉडर्न इरा में हम देखते हैं कि जो एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजीज हैं उनमें आप कंप्यूटर पे एक टाइम पे बहुत सी प्रॉब्लम्स उनसे वो सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. देयर ऑपरेटिंग स्पीड वाज लो. उनके काम करने की जो स्पीड थी वो बहुत कम थी. बट नाउअडेज कंप्यूटर कैन सॉल्व अ प्रॉब्लम विद इन अ फ्यू सेकेंड. So these were the limitations of the first generation of computers. So let's see the picture. First generation computer, the duration 1940 से 1958. कुछ जगहों पे 1956 भी है. So you can see they were very large in size. So today's image is our. I hope so you will easily understand and learn it. You are the best. You can do it. Thank you.